Morning student, this video for class 12 students. Yesterday we have done the ISC 2020 problems. So today we are going to continue this topic. And yesterday we left here with maxima and minima problem. We solve it. Now we will do the another question of maxima and minima from 2020. That is B part. So look at this. This is the question. Prove that the area of a right angle triangle of given hypotenuse is maximum when the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Means two things you have to prove in the right angle triangle, that maximum area we have to maximize, and we have to prove that it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means any two sides are equal, and it is given it is a right angle triangle, and hypotenuse we can use as a constant. Okay, so let's see the question. This is our triangle. In this triangle, this is right angle triangle. Perpendicular we don't know, base we don't know, but it is given that the hypotenuse h is constant. So if I am applying Pythagoras theorem in this question, so it will be h square is equal to x square plus y square, and from here the value of y square will be h square minus x square. Okay, now what you have to do, we have to prove that it is an isosceles triangle. So x is equal to y, we have to prove through this calculation. We have to prove that x is equal to y, because we have to prove that it is an isosceles triangle. And second thing, we have to maximize the area of this triangle. And you know, area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. So here you can remove this part also. Only area you can write. Area is equal to half into base into height. So half into y into x is the value of a. Now in the earlier video I have explained that if you want to maximize the area, if you are maximizing its square, it is equivalent to that part. So I am going to square this portion. So I will maximize the area square. It is equivalent to area, maximization of area. So squaring both sides. Why I am doing this? Because the problem is we have y square is equal, the value of y square, it is available. But here we have y. So I want to make it y square. So it will be very easy for me to differentiate this portion. So a square is equal to 1 by 4 y square x square. The value of y square I have substituted from here. It is h square minus x square. I have substituted here. So it has come a square is equal to 1 by 4 into x square minus h square minus x square. So we have generated a function over here. Now we will differentiate it equal to 0 and find the value of x. Okay. So therefore a square is equal to a square is equal to 1 by 4 x raised to the power x square h square minus x raised to the power 4. So if I am going to differentiate with respect to x, so it will give the result a square dash. So it will be 1 by 4, it is common. So x square differentiation is 2x and h square is common. Now x की power 4 का differentiation हो गया 4x cube. Okay. Now make it equal to 0 for maxima and minima and find the value of x here. So from here we have differentiated and equal to 0. So 2x is common. I have taken 2x common. It is h square minus 2x square. It is equal to 0. So value of x is coming h upon root 2. Now we know y square equal to h square minus x square. So the value of x square I am substituting here. This is h square upon 2. So after taking LCM and all, it will be y square equal to h square upon 2, and the value of y is coming same as the value of x. It is h upon root 2. So by this way we can say the value of x is h upon root 2 and the value of y is h upon root 2. Both are equal to each other. So we have proved that it is an isosceles triangle. Now we have to move for the maximum volume or maximum area. So student, we have proved that x is equal to y. Now we have to differentiate this portion. It is 1 by 4 into 2x into h square minus 4x cube. If I will differentiate here, the h square and 2 is a common portion. The differentiation of x is 1. So it will be 2h square over here, and it will be 4 3 is 12 x square. So that I have done over here, 2h square minus 4x square. Here I am going to substitute the value of x. It is h upon 2 in place of x square. So it will give the negative value, and that negative value indicate that maximum area it is there. So we have proved both the portions here, isosceles triangle and the maximum volume. So this question for 6 marks we have done from 2020 board part. So that was the question. Once more I want to dictate it. Question number, it was 2020 12th B. Right angle triangle was given. Hypotenuse, it is given that the value of hypotenuse we can take it as a constant part. So applying Pythagoras, we got h square is equal to x square plus y square. We have to prove that it is an isosceles triangle, and we have to maximize the area. Two things we have to do in this question. So first of all, the first step of maximum minima is to generate a function in one variable. So here I have applied the formula of area of triangle, half into base into height, half into y into x, because y is the base and x is the perpendicular. Now I have I have done squaring both sides because I want to maximize the area square. It is equivalent to area, maximization of area. So half of 1 by 4 into y square x square. The value of y square I have substituted from here. It is h square minus x square, and it will become the function which we want to differentiate. So from here I multiplied this inside the bracket. It has come 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is common over here. So if I will differentiate, 1 by 4 will be outside. Differentiation of x square is 2x, and h square is a constant portion. The differentiation of x raised to the power 4 is 4x cube. Now after equating this differentiation equal to 0, it will give the value of x square is h square upon 2, and the value of x is coming h upon root 2. Now we have to prove that x is equal to y. So x we have calculated. Now it is a turn of y. So y we know this is y. What is y? Y is basically y square equal to x square minus h square minus x square. So here I have substituted the value of x square. What is x square? X square is h square upon 2. So that I have substituted here, and I got the value of y is same as h upon root 2. So x is equal to y we have proved. So first part we have proved that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Now we have to prove that it is its area is maximum. So double differentiation we have to do for this portion, because this is the differentiation of one time. Now one more differentiation means second order derivative we have to find from here. So second order derivative means a dash will become a double dash, and here differentiation of x is 1, so it will be 2x square, and differentiation here it will be give 4 3 is 12x square. It will give. Now if I am going to put here in place of x square is h upon 2, so it will give the result negative. So negative value will indicate that area is maximized. So we have done it, this question. Okay, thank you very much.